Hello, viewers. Welcome back to iNet Tech Talk. Today, we are diving into how to run your very first Flutter project. Let's get started. Launch Android Studio and navigate to Projects. Then, click on New Flutter Project. In the bottom left of the window, click on Flutter. Then, navigate to the Flutter SDK folder by browsing under the C drive and click Proceed. This will set the path for the Flutter SDK. Enter a project name following the Dart naming convention. Create a project folder of your choice on your hard disk, and you can include a subfolder if you like. Select the path in the project directory location and save it. In the organization section, you can either include your company's domain name or leave it as the default. If you see an error, it's likely because the project name doesn't adhere to the Dart naming convention. It should be in lowercase with underscores. Correct the name, and the Flutter-related files will be created inside. Open the project, navigate to the lib folder, and you will find the main Dart file. We'll need to launch this file. Now it is time to enable Android Virtual Device or AVD. Click on Device Manager in the top right corner and select Create a new virtual device. Under the category, select Phone since we are developing a mobile app using Flutter. For practice, you can choose any phone and select the Android OS version, either the latest or a lower version for broader device support. When verifying configuration, choose Hardware for the best emulator performance. You'll now see the virtual device listed under Device Manager. Run the emulator and give it a moment to start up. Once it's ready, you'll see the configured device at the top of the window alongside the main Dart file. Run the program by pressing the green play button at the top and wait for the code to execute. The virtual device will display the default Flutter app, which shows the number of times you press the plus button on the screen. You can also make some changes, such as modifying the title on the app bar and the app window's color scheme. And that's a wrap on running your first Flutter app using the emulator or Android virtual device. Thanks for tuning into iNet Tech Talk. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more exciting and educational content. Until next time, stay curious and keep coding.